Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present about my paper. The title is the consumption of fruit and vegetable for boarding student during pandemic COVID-19. Uh, my name is Luthfi Mudhoffar and let's start. COVID-19 has spread in Indonesia, including in the city of Yogyakarta. COVID-19 has also an impact on our field, including the field of education, economic, social, and culture. One of those affected was university student because they could not return to their hometown and were forced to stay in Yogyakarta. As they were unable to do so, there have been changes in their daily pattern of food consumption, including fruit and vegetable consumption. Several studies have been conducted firstly to investigate the food pattern of consumption before and after COVID-19. The study was conducted to describe the purpose of this study was to determine fruit and vegetable consumption of boarding school in student in Yogyakarta. The second factor influencing of the pattern of fruit and vegetable consumption among university student in Yogyakarta. Fruit and vegetable contain many vitamin and mineral that are good uh, for your health. They include vitamin A, C, and A, magnesium, zinc, phosphorus, and folic acid. Vegetable and fruit are con convenient snack that can be easily carried to work or school, including them in every one meal and snack to get a healthy, balanced diet. A healthy diet, including a vegetable, form a subgroup including leafy green, bean, bean, and scarces. It is recommended to consume at least 2 to 3 cups of vegetable every day. In the study, an online survey was designed using jotform.com to collect boarding student data. The survey including questions regarding student age, lifestyle, health knowledge, social care, and food culture. The question about dietary and health knowledge were drawn from based on previous research. They were including in this research because they are undergraduate student of any major in Yogyakarta and stayed in the city during the outbreak of COVID-19. The data were collected using previously validated mixed open and ended and closed-ended online questionnaire. The questionnaire is divided into three parts. The first part is personal information, and the second, separating and daily frequency of fruit and vegetable consumption, and the last is student perspective in uh, consuming fruit and vegetable. To reach the participation, an online survey was conducted of students in Yogyakarta. The students were informed about the possibility of completing the survey. After that, describing data analysis was performed using Microsoft Excel. The data were used to address to research question. And for the research, uh, there were 40 respondents who were involved. In respondent are students of the agricultural faculty of one the universities in Yogyakarta. The analysis the analysis in this part, the average respondents between 20, 90 and 19 and 20 years old, and 25 of them are boarding students. On the other hand, 15 of them still live with their parents, and this portrays the student geographical background of those who are from Yogyakarta and the other who are from the other city. The recent study by a Center of Disease Control and Prevention yield widely different result by reporting that adults aged 18 to 24 at the fewest vegetable with almost 80% reporting that regularly do not consume any vegetable. And next, from this data, respondent has more than awareness of mental health and nutrition, which around 97%. In terms of frequency of consum consuming fruit and vegetable, participants in this study saw the pattern of more consuming when they are with their family. This phenomena also happen in terms of students who really consume fruit and vegetable in terms of the percent percentage. This participant were 37% who state that they really consume fruit and vegetable individually. And the next this session reveal the factor that influence respondent to why they consume fruit and vegetables. Most respondents generally agree that consume fruit and vegetable to boost their health immune system, accounting for 95%. They consume fruit and vegetable as a healthy snack during pandemic. Regarding the reason for consuming fruit and vegetable during pandemic, respondents also agree that uh, there are many delivery service during pandemic, and uh, seven, 72% to help farmers survive during the pandemic, and 62% uh, they help local sellers survive during pandemic. In this study, students already know uh, had knowledge and awareness about health and nutrition. Even though during COVID-19 pandemic, student continues to consume fruit and vegetable. Student must be able to meet their own nutritional needs. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed people habit and perspective, but it can be encouraged boarding student in social interaction. The future research interest in investigating the changing pattern of consumption during COVID-19 pandemic. So take into conservating firstly more diverse participants from different faculty could be surveyed to avoid more com comprehensive data in terms of the type of food. The survey could be expanded to cover some common type of vegetable and fruit. For intense future research might add frozen food and vegetable or canned food or vegetables so that consumption to process vegetable and fruit could be disclosed. And maybe that's all for me. So thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.